Yes, good morning, everybody. Big good afternoon, Greg, yeah. We are here live and direct in beautiful culture capital. So it's a lot of things happening this weekend. It's a full pack weekend here outside. We're outside, and now we're with Jubilee Foundation. You know, the wonderful prizes, some surprises this morning. So tune in, keep. Um, we almost get knocked off the live just now. But we're live here. Momentarily, we have something special to give Miss Tina Johnson right here. So, where you come? We're going to get her something for Jubilee Foundation just to bless the program that she has, right? So, I should be expecting the Lord Byron to be out there waiting. All right, so we're at Wahima Beach. Right, we're approaching Wahima Beach. And let's see where the Lord Byron. We're out here already. So we're waiting for Lord Byron. So we're already out here, right? Let me give him a call. All right. There he is. Keep it like, cause we live already. We live already. Huh? No way to give away? Way to give away? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I don't know what the top is. Dan Grega, we're there. DYFA Radio, DYFA TV, South Coast Raw, and Miss Jude Foundation. Believe. So, Miss Ella, we got the store right here. Right? We call, now out here, we are delivering the store. Now out here, boy. You see where they go? You see how we do it? You see how we do it? All right, for half right, wait, one phone call, and we just move. Because we have to we community. See it there? Alright, we probably Tina Johnson there now. I'm Tina Johnson there. Will it work? We're outside, man. We're outside, man. You see that right there? You see that right there? I tell you, see how far we have to come here? You see how far we have to come find this area? Did you walk about there, miss?
Yes.
You walk about there, but
family beach day.
Alright. Now family beach there. Alright. So, Miss Tina. Alright. Good. So, we're going to present one stove here. Right, we have so back like you. So we can look for you because right, you are the woman at the day today. We DYFA, South Coast, we Miss Jude Believe Foundation. You are the woman today. So we can present to you Wow, so we done gone your house already.
Yeah, we're out here today,
Right,
together with Family Beach Day.
Alright.
We're celebrating 5 years in existence.
Okay.
And so instead of taking them out on an educational tour trip, we brought them here on the beach. And then some of them are in the water, but they're only allowed to go in the water if their parent is here with them, a responsible adult. So they're in the water because then their parents are out here, right? Their parents are also, you notice we have everybody out here.
So this is a tutorial.
Yeah, this is the Johnson's free tutoring program.
Alright. I wish you could come on the show and we could talk more about it because very, very much.
Yeah, 5 years in existence.
Very much what the community needs.
5 years, and this year we have 130 students in total. And so we just want to give thanks to Miss Ella Konerke, President of the Jude Belize Foundation. She has been a continuous support not only for Johnson's free tutoring program, but for the whole country. Yes. So thanks, Miss Ella. I mean, one of our babies, because what we'll do with the stove, when it's closing ceremony, each one of our babies will be given a ticket. And we'll raffle the stove at the end of the closing ceremony. So somebody will go home with a stove and other items that we have to give them. Yeah, you know, so yes, and then I have my able teachers. I have Miss Jessica Sanchez, Carol Sutherland, and then we have Miss Tanisha Alvarez, and then Miss Kelsey Castellano couldn't be with us this year because she got a new job, right? So 5 years in existence, and today we're out here with Royalty Song, Bojo Galindo, and Bosabi Band.
Alright, Bosabi out though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Mrs. Johnson free tutoring program. This is her 5th year. I didn't even know that they want.
Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah, I really impressed with what is going on. It is amazing. Keep up the good work. You know what I'm saying? And if anybody out there who want to donate to these beautiful kids and this beautiful family or to this program,
because it's free, right?
Yeah,
it's free.
And
so we have our ministers who usually give donation to like our area rep and about that Zab. I mean, this day is possible because of him. He gave donation because we need to pay for the band, we need to pay for the system. We want to give thanks to Silvergrass Farm. They donate, I mean, juice and coconut water for the kids to be out here. All this is because of different sponsors, right? And so because then they come for free, they don't pay anything at all. So we try as much to see how we could solicit donation in order for these kids to come to this program and for the program to be running, right?
How long the program?
2 weeks. We started Monday the 29th, and next week Friday we close up the 10th with our closing ceremony.
Alright, so Miss Steve, we bring your stove for you. I know. I figure you must say I want to return back home.
Yes, and that's because if I don't know how we are getting stove. Probably later. Yeah, alright, we could ask that, we could do that. We could do that.
Alright, so we get it to first.
Yes, so, alright. Yes, and thanks, Miss Ella. Thanks to all our donors, our ministers. I mean, even our Minister of Education, Honorable Francis Fonseca, right? Every year he makes sure that our teachers get their stipend. Right? And so we just want to say thanks to different donors. Yes. Especially, like I said, our area reps. Every year he makes sure this program keeps going. Right?
Well, big up all of the people.
Yes, everybody
to make this possible. You know, we want to do more for the community. We want to do better and bigger. More students to come out next year. How much you got this year? 130. 130. And our big number is still.
And we wish we could most everybody because we have to turn back, right? But I mean, hopefully next year we could get another teacher board and we could get more.
So Miss T again, congratulations to what you're doing. Keep on doing what you're doing. Stay strong. You do what you do. You do it.
Yes,
give them their flowers. Yo, DYFA TV, DYFA Radio, so post Mr. Anarchy, Jude Belize. God, you turn. Yeah, we have to go. Yeah, we have to go.
This one of the closing ceremony.
We have to go show this in this program, man.
I'm going to win this club for next week, too. We are wrapping a sloppy closing ceremony.
So we got this beautiful stove here. courtesy Miss Jude Believe Foundation. So we want to say again, thanks again to Miss Ella. We are always stretching out your tentacles, Miss Ella. I will have to go gift for you, Miss Ella. I will have a personal gift for you, Miss Ella. For real. But we want to say thanks again for the stove. You know, big up Miss Johnson's free tutoring program. This is her fifth year in the community, and tonight and this morning, we have a little function right outside Anguilla on the beach for the kids there. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
hold on, Tina. Help me out yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, listen to me. Put it para, man. Put it para.
Yeah. Where you got for me the life?
For the Lord. This Jude Village Foundation, look. She never know what to get this man at Tina, see? See, you help me out, right? See? You help me out. See, look on the Lord. Voila. This is for the Lord. See, the man says, see? He never expect that. Mr. Allah, see? I tell my kitchen. You see? You see?
Why? I didn't know if it's why. Unexpected. No, it's like, why? Anyway, thanks to Miss Jude, thanks to the school, Miss Johnson, free tutoring program, and Miss Cap, our parents will walk away with this school now. Friday they have their draft. So big up for yourself, ladies. Again, DYFA TV, DYFA Radio, South Coast, Miss Jude Foundation, was germs.